Till now we have learned about manures and fertilizers and their uses. Now let us move on to know another method of replenishing the soil with nutrients. It is known as crop rotation. Do you know when the cereal crop like rice is grown in the soil, it uses up a lot of nitrogenous salts that if another cereal crop is grown in the same soil, the soil becomes nitrogen deficient. So by rotation, a leguminous crop should be grown after cereal crop. You will be surprised to know that some bacteria is present in the root nodules of these leguminous plants. These are known as rhizobium bacteria, which fix atmospheric nitrogen to form nitrogen compounds. When these nitrogen compounds go into the soil becomes more fertile. Thus, planting leguminous plant will result in nitrogen-rich soil, and when a cereal is grown in this soil, food grain production increases.